Okay, got some chicken and dumplings. I am putting some frozen chicken thighs in the crock pot. And then I love this stuff. This chicken bouillon. Yeah, honey. Let me tell you, put just a bit in there to season up the water. Yeah. And then we're going to let that cook till they're nice and tender. And we'll be back. Oh. All right, I am looking forward to the seasons changing, and as they change, I love comfort food. And sometimes I don't want to do it the long way, so I'm excited about these chicken and dumplings. You just grab some biscuits, whatever biscuits that you want to um, purchase. Not the kind that are too buttery. Some basic biscuits, and so I'm gonna use the biscuits as dumplings. I am just gonna press that out, and I have my chicken soup base with the meat. I had the meat in the crock pot, and it is nice and tender. Chicken thighs, I like dark meat, but I'm just going to um, do it like my mama used to do it. She used to make the actual, we used to make the actual dumplings. Oh, those were so good. But if you don't have time and you want some chicken and dumplings, biscuits do me just well. My mom taught me this before she passed, and I mean, I love it. I used to just open up the can and just pinch off, but this makes it more uniform when you just press it out and just cut it up. It doesn't take long, just cut that up, and then the only thing I have to do now is I do like to have my vegetables. I gotta do my onions and green peppers. Yeah, put that in there. You can do red peppers, whatever peppers you want to, and then that's gonna give it a nice flavor. And so I'm just going to drop them in there. Yeah, okay, drop them as it boils in there. And once it gets in there, they should start coming to the top, floating to the top. I like my dumplings to cook firm till they're firm and chewy. For me, that's how I like it. But you can cook the dumplings as long as you want to. But yeah, I like them to cook nice and firm. And oh goodness, this is so full of flavor. I have the chicken bouillon. Actually, it's the soup base. You can get it from Walmart. So good. And I am going to also add something else and a couple of other things in here. You can, this right here as it is would be just fine, has been just fine in the past. But you can put cream of chicken or cream of mushroom soup in there just to make it a little bit more hearty in there. And you see, just stir it up. I like a little bit of spice in mine. So let's see here. I'm gonna put a little bit of no salt, Tony Chachere's. Love this stuff. Yeah, I like a little spice on mine. This is a southern from the south. I'm from Alabama. Oh yeah, but see, like it's dumpling right on up. Too easy. I love this. This is gonna, once this cooks on down, have the meat and the, I like to cook it from home. I try to get it every now and then while I'm out, but there's not many places that can do it like me. And you can do it yourself too. So this is such a nice, easy recipe that you can do on your own and right at home. So once this cooks on down, it's going to be yummy. Yeah. It's getting there. Chicken and dumplings. Chicken and dumplings. I believe they are done, y'all. I'm just going to put a little bit here because I told you I like my chicken and dumplings to be somewhat a little firm. So let's see here. Put this, I'm gonna test it on the side of this bowl here and see if it will let me. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the way I like it right there. And the flavor, you know, I've been tasting it. Nice and chewy. That's the way I like it. Try it. Let me see what you think.